Congratulations! I am so excited about my first cooking video. However, I am not a master chef or an expert of cooking or something, but I am a person who likes to cook and it makes me happy when people like my food. So I thought it would be a good idea to share my passion with my fluent Thai friends in case that you would like to make some Thai food at home, because these are going to be like some simple dishes that you can easily make it. Okay, today I am going to show you how to make Thai fried rice with chicken. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it then.